What if I told you there is a city where history, culture, world famous food, and modern luxury come together? Welcome to Lahore. Let's begin with Shakil Rao again. Lahore is known as the heart of Pakistan. It is one of the country's oldest and most beautiful cities, where every street has a story and every corner offers something unforgettable. From the breathtaking Badshai Mosque and the magnificent Lahore Fort to the lively walled city, Lahore proudly preserves Pakistan's rich history and culture. But Lahore isn't just about history. It's also about Pakistan food capital. Whether it's spicy nihari, delicious biryani, juicy barbecue, or famous Lahori charga, every meal is a treat. And if you sweet lover, don't miss the traditional faluda and kulfi. Shopping lovers will feel right at home. Lahore is filled with the modern shopping malls like Packages Mall, Emporium Malls, and many busy traditional markets. Yes, where you can find fashion, electronics, and local handicrafts. Yes, family enjoy beautiful places like Jalani Parks, Racecourse Park, and famous Lahore Zoo. The city is also home to top universities, museums, art galleries, and vibrant culture festival that attract visitors from around the world. We there you are tourist, a foodie, or someone who loves history. Lahore has something waiting for you. If you ever visit Pakistan, make sure Lahore is on your list. You will leave with the unforgettable memories. I am Shakil Rao. Thank you for watching. May Allah protect you. Goodbye.